mess up my time. And I don't really break too easily, but I'm worth it, 'cause I'll slip into your dreams tonight. Oh, so give me your all. I'll take it to Mars. Oh, I'll stick like glue inside your mind. Just watch me breaking.
Hi everybody and welcome back to my channel. I'm really excited for today's Power Hour speed clean with me, where I set my timer for 1 hour to see how much I could get done. I didn't quite get done everything that I wanted to, but I did get everything except for mopping done. So I'm pretty happy with that. We're getting some cleaning done and we're also getting a little bit of organization done in today's video. So put me up on whatever device, grab a coffee, grab a water, and clean along with me.
I'm out of reasons, I'm out of rhyme, but I'll only tell you that I'm out of time. I'm sick of love songs, I'm tired of this, and I wanna tell you straight just like it is. You're watching me like you want me.
Hello my friends and welcome back to the channel. As you can see, I have just started out with some everyday cleaning tasks here in my bedroom with making my bed. And I also wanted to show you guys these aromatherapy lotions and the spray that I had gotten from Bath and Body Works. I can have them linked below if you guys are interested, but the orange and sandalwood scent is honestly incredible. I love it. Like, there's no other word for it. So if you haven't tried it, I would highly recommend going into your local store or ordering it online. I love everything about it. And I actually ended up getting the last lotion, and so I know that it is a very popular scent. They actually didn't have any of the wash available, so if they do have it in your store, stock up on it because it's incredible. So we're just moving along through the bedrooms here and tidying up, getting everything done before moving on to the bathroom, and I'm gonna do a little bit of deep cleaning and tackle my bathtub.
You're fearless, steal all the gold you can get. Show me your love, leave me breathless, breathless. Show me your love like it is. Bend open my heart like you're fearless.
Okay, so usually I like to use a coffee filter when cleaning my mirrors and my windows. It leaves it totally streak free, but I couldn't find any of the coffee filters and I didn't want to use my good ones, so I just grabbed a cloth and it's horrible compared to a coffee filter. If you haven't tried that hack, you should seriously try it and tag me over on Instagram. It works wonders. And yeah, I just love sharing when you guys use my tips and stuff that you find helpful, and so I would love to see that. So now I'm just going ahead and cleaning the little dirt and disgustingness around the sink here using a fine toothbrush.
You told me more than once to show you my intention. My brain gets blocked at times, but now somehow I'll give you my attention. You've got to know that I ain't a person who understands all the clockwork of our romance. You make me feel so alive, always there in my mind. But I just don't know if I'll dance with the lights on. If you're gonna be moving on solo, wait a second, 'cause they're playing the best song. I'll be there if you reach out to me.
So our shoe rack just totally gets out of control, so I really wanted to go ahead and organize this. And just with the season changes coming, I thought it would be a good opportunity to kind of put all of like the sandals and flip-flops and that kind of shoe away, and then start pulling out more of like the rain boots, the winter boots, and just like the fully toed shoes. And so I have this little basket here just hiding in my daughter's closet, and it is just full of, again, just the other shoes that fit them but weren't in the right season. So I had to pull them out, including the sparkle shoes, because they are so freaking cute. And I was like, well, you just never know when we're gonna want to dress up for, you know, dinner, Thanksgiving dinner, maybe Christmas coming up and that sort of thing. So thought I would whip those out while I was at it. But let me know in the comments how often you change like your shoes and stuff like that. Obviously I do it twice a year, usually in like the fall and winter, and then the spring and the summer. And I also need to actually go through these little drawers in the bench one of these days. I didn't get to it in today's video as I wanted this to be a true power hour. So this was literally 1 hour of filming. I think this is like the quickest speed clean you're ever gonna get from me, because I was hustling to get things done and just moving the camera around and that sort of thing. So yeah, I kind of went on a little tangent there, but I need to do a lot more organizing coming up here. I do have some home projects happening on the back end that I'm really excited to share with you guys soon. So if you are new here or you're a returning subscriber and you haven't quite subscribed yet, stay tuned. I am going to be sharing lots of home DIY projects coming up, as well as the tons of cleaning motivation that I always do. But I would love to have you join our growing YouTube family. And if you're watching still, I want you to go ahead and introduce yourself into the comments if you haven't already, as I love getting to know you guys.
Reach out to me. Reach out to me. Reach out to me. Reach out to me.
Now that I'm looking back, I can see all the signs I tried to fill in the cracks that were spread in my mind, but I was all out of hope, lost in an endless maze. The emptiness had unfolded just like a void, but you broke the coldness somehow and lit up a flame. And ooh, I was done feeling hopeless, screamed out loud because it felt impossible in my bones, like getting blood out of the stone on my own. But you came around and removed the thorn in my soul. You guided me out of.
So I ended up getting these glass jar containers from our local superstore. I'll see if I can find some similar ones online and link them, but they are kind of really neat. I've been looking for glass jar containers for months, and I actually ended up getting these for free for spending so much at the grocery store. So that ended up working out really well, but I'm just gonna go ahead and get these all cleaned. I wanted to wash them, of course, before putting them away. And so yeah, we're just gonna go ahead and do that really quickly. I actually still have not used these yet, as we haven't had the opportunity to use them, but they are supposed to be dishwasher safe, oven safe, microwave safe, all the things, because they're glass. And so yeah, I'm really excited about those. So moving on now, we're just gonna use my multi-purpose spray and the sea salt and lime and start cleaning the rest of the kitchen. And I'm gonna share with you guys just some after shots of what my house looked like. And I just want to be totally real with you guys. This lasted maybe half of a day, as well, mom life. And so I always say, you know, as you're cleaning one room, it seems like another room gets destroyed, but it ended up working out and staying clean because my child was napping and my other one was at school. So there's that. And if you're wondering, our robot vacuum Dudley did vacuum our entire house. And so here are the after shots that I was telling you about. Again, it is not normal unless I clean in the evenings, which I don't normally have the energy to do, but it's not normal for my house to look like this all at once. And so of course I had to show it on camera because it was a very proud moment during this power hour.
Felt impossible in my bones, like getting blood out of the stone on
Alright everybody, thank you so much for being here today and watching this power hour. I hope that you guys enjoyed the speed cleaning motivation. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. I didn't quite get everything done that I wanted to, but as you can see, I think the house looks not too bad for only having 1 hour. Thanks again for watching, and we will see you guys in my next video. Bye.
You're falling into me, touch me.